What is going on, all of you beautiful people out there? Guys, we have a awesome video today. Of course, I am your boy CryptoMykel, coming today with a awesome update video thanks to our boy here, DJ Mines. That is right. I actually won this particular giveaway right here. His Ethereum Rally FLUX banner giveaway. I actually won that banner, and now it is hanging up here at the FamilyMine. No, not here, but at the FamilyMine. Now, of course, I am having a baby, so I will be AFK. So y'all will be seeing this video while I am in the hospital with the wife and new baby. So enjoy this. Put tons of comments down below, and yeah. Come check out the video, and we'll have links to DJ Mines down in the description below. Got a package here from DJ Mines from our FLUX banner that we won, and I'm actually going to put this bad boy right there on that wall. So let's get this thing open. Look at that, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel, DJ Mines. Awesome, and we can slap this on our sticker wall. Out in the other room over there. But guys, check that out. Man, let's go get this thing on the wall so it can look super fly right there. Alright guys, there it is. The FLUX banner, thanks to DJ Mines. This lovely guy right here. Go check his videos out in the description down below. Thank you so much for getting this. Now let's go stick this thing on the wall. There we go, guys. He is DCA Serpent DJ Mines. I'm a big fan. Ha! Freaking love you guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now, here's our second fan that we got to install right there. But I'm having a baby. So, huge shout out, of course, to DJ Mines. FLUX on, guys. Stay savage. We love all of you guys. Much love. Peace out. And see y'all next time. Peace. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that really quick clip of me getting the FLUX banner up at the office. Now it is right there in view. So anytime that I go look at the cams, I can always see that FLUX banner and think of you, DJ Mines. So guys, you're awesome. DJ Mine, you're awesome. If you haven't checked his videos out, guys, I encourage you to. You can find a link to his channel down in the description below. While you're down there, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know every time that we go live here on the show. We would greatly appreciate it. We are trying to drop down 2 videos a week on top of the live stream on Saturdays. Of course, you want to have a live stream this coming Saturday because I am still probably in the hospital with the wife. Hopefully we'll be heading home in the day after you see this. Fingers crossed everything goes well. Drop your comments down below. Much love, guys. Yeah. I muted the very end clip of the video because it was just really loud and I don't want to do that to you. So it was just going over all the rigs that were just sitting there. So just enjoy the clip of, hope you enjoy the clip of the tour of the rigs, as well as slapping DJ sticker onto the beginning sticker area. You're all awesome, guys. Much love. Peace out. And catch you on the flip side. Keep your hash rates up, watch low, and stay savage.